Hello there, welcome back. It's BruceShan03. We're back with another Pokemon TCG opening. I know there's been a lot of that lately. We'll get some video game footage up there at some point. Today, we are opening a booster box of Silver Tempest. As of the recording of this particular video, it's the newest booster box that's available. The newest set, which is Crown Zenith, is not out just yet, but I figured I'd give myself a little try on this particular set. And let's go ahead and get into this. If I can get this open. There it goes. Alright. Alright. Let's pop this open. Punch the box. We'll have Regieleki on top. We got 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 18. So 36 packs. We'll start with the left side. Put it right there front and center. The boxes are up here right off camera. Nothing shady, nothing going on. Alright, let's get into it. This will be a longer video, so thank you so much for watching. Alright, white code card, starting it off well. Alright, 1, 2, 3, and we got a V-Star card. Throw those on top. Alright, put these out of shop, put these over here. We got a Glalie, we got a Candace, got a Behem, Fungus, Sandigas. Alright, I don't like this right here. Moving this over here. Relicanth, Hawlucha, Togedemaru, Delphox Reverse, and Delphox Regular. A Delphox pack. Alright, Regieleki's next. One, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, Leaf Energy. Got a Capturing Aroma. We got a Wailord, a Raichu, Spinda, Phoebus, Noibat, Snorunt, Sandile, Reverse Sunkern, and the rare is a Gardevoir. Alright. Pack 3. Regidrago. Alright, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Clearly some of the bigger hitters in this series is your Lugia cards. You got Electric Energy, Krokorok, Anorith, Meowstic, Ralts, Krogunk, Solosis, Algium. You got Zubat, Lopunny, and we got a Metachan foil rare. Actually, that's out of the shot, so scoot everything down just a smidge. Actually, let's just move the camera up just a smidge too. My apologies for the shakiness. Alright, cool. Let's just put the commons over here. Let's sort out our little mess, just in case we get something good. We'll put it over there. Alright. Pack 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Got Fighting Energy, Dendene, Quadstone, Morpeko, Ferroseed, Pikachu with everyone in the back, Ponyta, Venonat, Jupiter, ooh, Radiant Alakazam, nice. And then we got Fione, regular rare. Put that there, put this Radiant right there. Commons up at the top corner. So that's probably the best hit so far. Getting my Radiant in. Alright, card over there, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Got Fire Energy, Toxapeck, Lance, Clang, Emolga, Chimecho, Baneri, Drowsy, Spinarak. We got a Realmer Reverse, and we get a Brizion. Next pack. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Psychic Energy, Worker, Sunflora, Primordial Altar, Esper, Smeargle, Litten, Petal, Chinchou. Ooh, got a Rayquaza Rapid Strike VMAX. We got the gold card, and then we got a Cobalion, regular rare. We almost had the trio of the, I don't know what they're called, unfortunately. Nice. That looks awesome. I'll set this right here. And we'll put it right there. Nice. That is now the best card that we've gotten so far. It goes over there. Code card there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, got a Steel Energy. Make sure I don't hit that. Got a Toxic Croak, excuse me. Professor Leviton. Matang. Swablu. Got a Swirlix. Got a Rotom. Got a Dreepy. Vulpix. Zygarde. Reverse. And, ooh, Survivor V. Alright, I'm running out of spots. Let's see. So slide regular rare here. Slide this here for the reverses. And then we'll just put the V right there in between. Keeping everything in frame for now. Alright. Next pack. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, we got a Water Energy. Archon, excuse me. Clang. Playdell. Fletchling. Dratini. Klink. Stunfisk. Tuckanamaru, Noibat Reverse, and Rapidash. Holofoil rare. So one thing I like about booster boxes is you get to fill out your commons, uncommons, and your common rares. And it lasts a little longer than the theme boxes, UTVs, and etc. Alright, next pack. We got Dark Energy, Honchkrow, Raichu, Ferrothorn, Sunkern, Lampy, Indeedee, Barini, excuse me, Mischievous, Smeargle Reverse, and Hisuian Braviary. Actually need to get that in Pokemon Arceus. Still haven't gotten that far in that game, unfortunately. Next pack, 1, 2, 3, and 4. V-Star card, throw that away. No energy this time, but we got the Leaf Camo Poncho, Slurpuff, got a Lance, got a Murkrow, Emolga, Meditite, Durant, Ralts, Reverse, Regenerative Energy, and rare of Noivern. Regular rare. Next pack. One, 2, 3, and 4. We got a Leaf Energy. Got a Morpeko, Capture Aroma, Slurpuff, Sandile, Murkrow, Fennekin, Beldum, Baltoy, Stunfisk, and whoosh! Ooh, Lugia V-Star. Heck yeah. That's nice. Well, I've been hoping to get a Lugia of this set, and I got my first one now. Awesome. I'll go towards the Lugia deck if I choose to make one. Seeing a lot of people have been playing that as of late. I doubt I'll get a repeat of this V-Star though, but never know. It's all random, right? Electric Energy, V-Guard Energy, Honchkrow, Ninetales, Vulpix, Drowsy, Growlithe, Mischievous, Wailmer, ooh, Jinx, Trainer Gallery, nice. I think I have this one already, I don't know, and a Milotic. I am literally running out of spots for things. It's not a bad thing. Not a bad thing at all. For all those who are in the know in terms of Pokemon, what does everyone think about the change from yellow border to silver border? And then secondarily, the price increase, but the ability to not have just regular rares. There'll always be something now. Fighting Energy, Primordial Altar, Dendene, Braixen, Jupiter, excuse me, Spinda, you got a Feedback Sleeping, Noibat, Snorunt, Incineroar Sleeping, and whoopah, Armaldo, regular rare. Someone's conveying their love for Jinx here. All fancied out. Going out to a nice dinner, etc. That goes over there. 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the front. Got a fire energy. Got a regenerative energy. Dualcian, Hypno, Fungus, Sandy Gas, Relicanth, Halucha, Rufflet, Krogrunk Reverse, and whoosh, ooh, Forest Seal Stone, regular or holofoil rare. Put that there. I don't know if I have all the stones yet. I think I have 2 of them. Look at my set. I'll actually send you I'll show a picture of an updated my set afterwards. Might be helpful as a visual aid, if you will. Alright, you got the Psychic Energy, Dracloak, Worker, Sunflora, super happy, Chinchou, Ferroseed, Pikachu, Ponyta, Venonat, and we got a Halofan, and whoosh, ooh, Lugia. It's Lugia V. This is just the regular art, right, for this card? Looks really sick, though. I like it a lot. Alright, so that goes with the V's, I guess. And that goes here. Alright. Getting Lugias like crazy. On to the next pack. Hooah. Almost done with the first half of the box. Running at 11 minutes. Gotta speed it up. Lopunny, Serena, Beldum, Krogunk, Solosis, Zubat, Algium, Talonflame, a Mismagius regular rare. Let's just tidy that up a little bit. Alright, we got a Lugia pack. I'm seriously doubting to get another Lugia or even an Altart Lugia, but you never know, right? Alright, got Water Energy, Hypno, Archon, Serena. I need to stop digging those cards. Esper, Smeargle, Litten, Petal, Full Frostless, Rare Reverse, and Victini regular rare. Last pack, first half. Last pack, half magic? Yeah, maybe? No. It's a white code card, so not sure. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, Dark Energy, Golbat, Fruisode Girl, Donphan, Fletchling, Chimecho, Feebas, Fennekin, Spinarak, Metatype Reverse, and Lilligant. Oh, it's Hisuian Lilligant, regular rare. Alright. Second half begins now. Box goes over there. Code card 1, 2, 3, and 4. Dark Energy, Regenerative Energy, Duosis, V-Guard Energy, Baltoy, Sunkern, Fanfi, Indeedee, Marini, Murkrow Reverse, and Armaldo. That's the second time hitting that. Just going to move this V-Star up here for a hot second, just to get it out of the way. I keep hitting it. Four cards through Energy, Altaria, Dracloak, Lantern, Durant, Emolga, Beldum, Stunfisk, Vulpix, GP Reverse, and Talonflame regular rare. It's the second one of those today. Alright, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, we got Electric Energy, Braxton, Lopunny, Serena, Snowrunt, Sandile, Murkrow, we got a Fennekin, Beldum, Behemoth Reverse, and Terrakion Holofoil. Fighting Energy, Meowstic, Glalie, excuse me, Brandon, Feebas, Fanfy, Linton, Rufflet, see something shiny in the back, Fennekin, Gym Trainer, and ooh, Reggie Drago V-Star. Love the texture. Put it up here with the other V-Star. I know it's out of the frame, but it'll be okay. Alright, hit 2 V-Stars. That's not too shabby. One, two, three, and 4. Got your Fire Energy. Got your Golbat. Furusode Girl, Donphan, Venonat, Jupiter, Spinda, got a Feebas, Noibat, excuse me, Radiant Jirachi. Nice. And then another Hisuian Lilligant. I'm mixing my cards up, oh dear. I'll put this on top of this other Radiant. I know, it needs golden sleeves. I will be better and have a better setup next time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Psychic Energy, Brandon, Murkrow, Anorith, Pikachu, Growlithe, Clink, Dratini, Wailmer, Hawlucha Reverse, and a Incineroar regular rare. Alright. Thanks, keep on coming. 2, 3, 4. Steel Energy, unidentified fossil. Whoops, excuse me. Arachnid, Stonjourner, Petro, Ferroseed, Chinchou, Pikachu, Ponyta, Zubat Reverse, and Zygarde regular rare. So, we're getting doubles on regular rares now. For better or for worse. Got a V-Star card, throw that over there. Up and out of the way. 3 go to the front. Got a Venomoth, Wallace, Jinx, Sandygast, Relicanth, Hawlucha, Takamaru, Petal. Ooh, nice. Rockruff. Is this technically a training gallery? Yes, it's yellow bordered, yes. And it's Zeraora rare. That's awesome. I like this one a little more than the other one. No offense to Jinx. So, another cool rare would be nice. Another training gallery, but hey, I've been pretty lucky with 2 V-Stars. So that Lugia one is clutch, if you will. Sorry, my hair's in the way. I need a haircut. Alright, Water Energy, Fletchlander, Grodok, Dralo, excuse me, Lantern, Stunfisk, Targetmaru, Esper, Smeargle, unidentified fossil with Litten, and the rare is a Metagross, regular rare. Cool. Alright, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, Dark Energy, Altaria, Terracat, Dragonair, Croagunk, Solosis, Zubat, Elgyem, Fungus, Clang Reverse, and ooh, Stumptank V. Alright. Four cards. Almost all the way through. Jinx, Brandon again, Altaria, Durant, Valtz, Fletchling with the Clang, Clink, Clang, and then Kaleido, or Keldeo, excuse me. One, two, three, 4. Electric Energy, Wallace, Lantern, Brandon, Chimecho, excuse me, Baneri, Drowsy, Spinarak, Rotom Reverse, Arcanine regular rare, White Code card, Fighting Energy, Dragonair, Venomoth, ooh, Wallace, Mischievous, ooh, Whalmer, Murkrow, Emolga, Meditite, Victini, Reverse, and Klinklang. Regular rare. Alright. 5 packs left. Let's see if we can get something cool out of the last 5. Alright, Fire Energy, Gym Trainer, Corellia, out of focus, Venomoth, Swirlix, Dreepy, Rotom, Vulpix, Emolga, Jupiter, regular rare Frostlass. 4 packs left. One, two, three, and 4. Psychic Energy, Gym Trainer, Corellia, Porcat, Dratini, Feebas, Vulpix, Drowsy, Growlithe, Dragonite Reverse, Slow Roll, Articuno, regular rare. Or not regular rare, holographic rare, excuse me. Alright. Is that our last non-regular rare? Could be. Could be. It's been a pretty awesome box so far. There's 4. Alright, try not to peek. Steel Energy, Sigalith, Golbat, Meowstic, Fanfy, Didi, Marini, Mischievous, Swablu, Slurpuff, Reshiram Alt Art V. That's pretty awesome. That's nice. I'll put that right here next to my trainer galleries. Alright, I'm thinking that's probably the last awesome, amazing card. 2 packs left. Throw a like down there if you think there's more to come. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This was a black code card, so I'm going to set this to the side. Alright, so it's going to be runner. Oh, this is a white code card. Okay, cool. So that's up to the side. Count to 4. So the best it could be is like a Radiant or a Trainer Gallery, possibly a gold card. Alright, you know most of the cards by now. No sense reading it out loud. Sorry if you missed the captions or the, ooh! Alright, so horrifically wrong. It is a Blissey V Alt Art. Gosh, I was horrifically wrong. Alright. Is this last pack magic? Or is this a bitter failure? Water Energy. Ooh, Emergency Jelly. First time I've seen this. Serena. Sigalith. Petal. Pikachu. Growlithe. Clink. Oops. Donphan and Whelmer. Alright, is it? It's a V card. It's a purple V card. It's, ooh, Mawile V. Nice. Alright, put the reverse here. Put all my base over here. Alright, let's take a quick peek. A little recap, if you will. We got 2 alternate arts. We got the Reshiram, and we got the Blissey V. I could throw them up here too, but this camera is not as good, clearly. So I'll just put them up on the other one. We got 2 trainer galleries. We got the Rockruff. We got the Jinx. Nice. Pretty cards. Got the gold Rayquaza. We got the 2 Radiants. We got the Alakazam, and we got the Jirachi. We got the regular Holofoils, Articuno, Terrakion, Forest Sealstone, Rapidash, and Medicham. Then we're going to go into our Vs. We got a Mawile, Stuntank. We got our Lugia, and then a Superior. And then probably, in my opinion, the best card was probably this Lugia V-Star. We got this Regidrago V-Star, and we got a whole bunch of reverses. So, don't know how often I'm going to do booster boxes, honestly. They do run kind of expensive, but I figured it'd be fun to watch and look and see what's in a booster box. Really appreciate you coming out and watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want the code cards, throw a comment in there. I'll throw a couple codes up there for you. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.